If you need to create a network diagram in Lucidchart, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step, from starting with a template or blank canvas to placing devices, labeling them, connecting everything, and sharing the final diagram with your team. This is a great way to map out your office network, show data flow, or document your infrastructure in a clean visual format. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Lucidchart and decide whether you want to start with a ready-made template or a blank document. If you want to move faster, you can browse the templates gallery and search for something like network topology. That gives you a pre-built layout that you can customize right away. But if you want full control over every detail, click New, hover over Lucidchart, and choose blank document so you can build a diagram from scratch. Once your document is open, the next step is to enable the Network Shapes library. Look down at the bottom left of the screen and click Shapes. In the Shapes panel, search for Network Infrastructure. When you find it, check the box and click Use Selected Shapes. This is important because it adds all the symbols you need, like routers, switches, servers, and other network components, directly into your sidebar for easy drag and drop. Now it's time to start building your diagram. Begin by dragging a router onto the canvas. This usually represents your main internet gateway or the central point where traffic enters your network. Place it near the top if you want a clean top-down layout. Next, drag a switch below the router. The switch will usually represent internal office traffic or the way devices communicate inside your local network. After that, add a server to show where important data, files, or applications are stored within the office or network environment. As you place each device, try to keep the diagram neat and easy to read. Good spacing matters because network diagrams are meant to be understood at a glance. You can align your router, switch, and server vertically if you want a simple flow, or arrange them horizontally if that better fits your layout. The goal is to make the structure of the network obvious to anyone who views it. Next, label your devices so the diagram is clear and professional. Double-click the router shape and type the device name along with its IP address. For example, you could write main router 192.168.1.1. Then repeat the same process for the switch and the server. Labeling is one of the most important parts of a network diagram because it tells viewers exactly what each object represents and helps avoid confusion later when the diagram is shared with your team or used for troubleshooting. After your shapes are labeled, connect the equipment using lines. Hover over the router until you see the red connection dot appear. Click and drag a line down to the switch. This shows that the switch is connected to the router. Then drag another line from the switch to the server to complete the data path. These connections are what make the diagram a true network diagram instead of just a collection of icons. If needed, you can adjust the line style or add arrows to make traffic flow easier to understand. At this point, you can fine-tune the diagram by moving objects around, resizing labels, and making sure everything is aligned cleanly. If your network has more devices, you can continue adding additional routers, switches, workstations, access points, or servers using the same drag and drop process. Lucidchart makes it easy to scale your diagram as your network grows. When you're happy with the final layout, save your work and share it with others. Click Share in the top right corner to invite teammates to view or edit the diagram. This is especially useful if you're collaborating with IT staff, managers, or clients who need to review the network setup. You can control who has access and make collaboration simple. And that's how to make a network diagram in Lucidchart. You started with a template or blank document, enabled the right shapes, added your devices, labeled them clearly, connected everything, and shared the finished diagram. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and I'll see you in the next one.